welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today we are wrapping up my Clean and Decorate for Summer 2020 series, and I'm really excited to share with you my family room today. Now I've taken everything out of here because this room needs a deep clean, so we're gonna start with that and then we'll go ahead and get into the decorating. I'm also tacking on my dining room hutch at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned till the end if you want to see that. And if you like these kinds of videos, make sure you give this one a big thumbs up before you keep on watching. So let's go ahead and get this party started. I'm also really excited to announce that today's video is a collab with my good friend Lynn White. Lynn has amazing cleaning and organizing content, and today she's decorating for summer, and I really love her style. It's so pretty, and she recently renovated her home, so that is really exciting, and it's always fun to see the updates and what she has going on over there. So make sure after watching today's video, you go show her some love, watch her video, and subscribe because you will not regret it. She's such a sweet, kind, genuine person. She's been such a good friend to me, and I know you'll love her. I have all of her information linked in my description below. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is spot clean my couches. I have upholstered couches and they get really dirty really quickly with sippy cup spills and accidents here on the couch. So I took some Shout and I sprayed on any areas that I thought might have gotten stained. And I'm taking my carpet cleaner that has an upholstery attachment. It's linked in my Amazon store if you have any questions about that. And I am just quickly giving my couches a spot clean. I'm not deep cleaning them by any means. I'm just going over any areas that look a little dirty and getting the couches fresh and clean. If you happen to be coming over from Lynn's channel today, or maybe you're just new around here, I just wanted to say welcome, and I am so glad that you stopped by. Here on my channel, I do lots of mom life motivation, cleaning, organizing, decorating. I have been doing lots of room makeovers, and I'm actually really excited to announce that on Thursday, I'm posting an amazing master bedroom makeover that I'm really excited about. So if you like what you see today, make sure you hit that little red subscribe button down below. So if you don't know, I'm a mama of 3 littles, and that means that 30 fingers are touching these windows on a daily basis. Graham is only 1, but he recently learned how to get up on the couch, and so there are always little tiny fingerprints all over my windows in the family room. So whenever I give this room a deep clean, I like to go over the windows, get them nice and clean and smudge free. It lasts maybe a good 5 minutes, but it feels good getting it done. And I'm using the Aunt Fanny's window cleaner. I love this product because it's all natural. It does have a pretty strong vinegar scent, but I don't mind. It goes away in a minute or 2. To be totally honest and transparent, I have really let this room go during quarantine. The kids spend a lot of time in here watching TV or playing with toys and things, and I have just not been deep cleaning like I normally do when they're in school. And so this room was really dirty. You can't necessarily see it on camera, but I promise you there was plenty of dirt and smudges and food crumbs everywhere. So it was like a breath of fresh air getting this room clean today. And for whatever reason, before I decorate, especially redecorate an entire space, I really like to start with a clean slate and make sure the room is nice and clean. And I am very excited about some of the new decor I picked up recently. Our stores are opening back up. I'm taking lots of caution, but I have gone shopping and bought some new decor for the house. I love decorating for the seasons. I love changing colors. It just makes me happy and brings a sense of normalcy. So today I'm keeping things really minimal but really peaceful, and I'm adding a really pretty pop of light blue that I think you guys are gonna love. I'm using staples that I already had, this jarred vase, and these greens are from Hobby Lobby. I love these pretty much year round. I think they're really pretty. I did pick up these candlesticks and I decided to add 3 just to make it a little more interesting and add more height. And this center art piece is from Kirkland's and it has some blues and grays in it, and I think it's so pretty. And I bought these corbels for my kitchen island and they didn't end up working, and instead of returning them, I decided to put them here on the mantle, and I think they are so pretty. I also picked up this lantern from Hobby Lobby, and then this basket I've had for a long time is also from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just putting a pillow and a blanket and some fresh flowers, or I'm sorry, not fresh, but faux flowers in the basket just for some texture and just to give the bottom of the fireplace some interest. I would say that I think the tall lantern needs a smaller lantern next to it, but they were out of stock at Hobby Lobby, so I'm just gonna have to wait and see. And now I'm moving on to this cozy little nook here in the family room, and I'm just wiping my tables down with my Young Living Thieves household cleaner. This is a staple in my house. I use it on all of my wood furniture. I love it, and I love that it has immune boosting properties, and it smells really nice too. But after I get done cleaning, I am doing a little redecorating over here. I'm adding a new lamp that I picked up at Kirkland's, and I love it. It has a ton of character. It's so pretty, you guys. It almost looks like the floor lamp I had before sitting here, but it's just kind of a smaller version. But I think it's really cute. I'm really happy with how it kind of rounds out this corner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take off the tags and the plastic, and we'll go ahead and move on. So I found these pillows at Kirkland's, and I loved the color. It's a really pretty bluish gray. It's very neutral, but still adds a calming color for summertime. So I'm really happy with how that turned out. And then I added another vase found at Hobby Lobby. This one has a cute wicker basket attached, and I love the texture that brought. And that's the same greenery that I have here on my mantle. And then I went ahead and plugged in my diffuser over here, and I'm just gonna start diffusing some orange. It's just a nice citrus scent, and it complements the Thieves really well. So now moving on to this nook. If you saw several weeks back, I added this table to the family room, and I'm not changing any of the decor on it, but I am adding a new lamp. I bought new lamps for the family room, if you can't tell, and I bought a set at Kirkland's. They were on sale. I got a really good price for them, and they're really neutral, really pretty. They're gonna work year round, so I'm really happy with them. Graham actually broke a lamp, and then Grayson or Emma, I'm not really sure which one, broke the other lamp over the course of the last like 6 months or so. So we were just overdue for some new lamps. I really hope you guys have been enjoying my Summer Clean and Decorate series. I know it's a little early. A lot of my northern subscribers comment and say, "Summer, oh my goodness, it's still cold here." But I always like to get content out early for you guys to inspire you and give you ideas before you go out and decorate. So let me know in the comments below. Have you guys started decorating yet for summer? Have you decorated for spring? Are you still in snow boots? Let me know how you're doing. I really love that pillow I just added as well. It has those same blues in it. It's just a lumbar style, and it fits on my bigger couch really well. And I wish I could say laying this blanket on the ottoman was some decor idea or something, but honestly, I'm just covering up a stain. That's my best tip if you have kids and you have a light couch with a stain, or a chair or something. Cover it up with a throw blanket. No one will ever notice. And now that I'm done decorating, I'm gonna finish off this room just by giving it a really good deep vacuuming. I actually vacuumed the room twice, although I didn't show that or it would be super redundant, but I wanted to make sure everything was really clean. And here is a look at the room, all complete, all clean and fresh and ready for summer. Like I said before, I love how this turned out. I love the way it's decorated with the light blues and the neutrals and the natural greenery. I think it's pretty, and it's just enough without being too much. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I hope you enjoy it as well. But now that I am done with this room, we're gonna go ahead and move into the dining room. So now I'm looking at all of the decor I have to decorate with. I purchased this Farm Fresh sign from Hobby Lobby, and I thought it was a nice addition for summer, as well as this really pretty mint kitchen scale. When I saw it, I had to have it, only because I recently painted my table in my front room this exact color, and now that just kind of brings this into the dining space and makes the entire area cohesive and flow really well, and it's just a really fun pop of color for summer. Now I wish I could say there was some rhyme or reason to the way I decorate my hutch. I recently did my tiered tray video, and that I have a very precise method that I use to make my tiered tray look nice, but with my hutch, anything goes. I'm always moving things around, I have no idea where I'm putting things, and I just kind of play around with everything until I have it the way I like it. I did add some greenery to those mason jars, and I really like the way that turned out. And then I decided, instead of having one big basket of lemons, I went ahead and added lemons to the scale and all of the little white bowls and just kind of dispersed them throughout the hutch, and I like that a lot better. My other new addition were these really cute little rolling pins I found in the Target dollar spot, and they made just a nice addition here in this basket with my other rolling pin. I normally just have the one, and so having three, I feel like it looked a little better and a little fuller. And then I also decided to add a little bit of greenery to the lemons here on the scale. I just feel like it livened it up a little bit, and I love rosemary and lemon together. I so hope that you enjoyed today's video and that it gave you tons of home decor inspiration and ideas for your own home. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up. That really helps me out. And make sure you go check out Lynn's video. You're gonna love her. Again, I have all the information linked in my description as well pinned in the comments section. And let me know, what was your favorite decor piece of the day? Mine was definitely the scale with the lemons. I just love that color. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a beautiful day. Bye guys.